Grateful Hikers joining you from the Rolling Creek Trail right on the edge of Pike National Forest and Lost Creek Wilderness. So this trail actually goes on another, look to be about 4 to 4.5 miles, and you connect with the Wigwam Trail. And we came out here to do a little bit of exploration because we're going to do a loop, a weekend loop back here in the wilderness. So great hike on the way out. You go right by Wellington Lake and you get to see the castle. For local folks, that's a pretty iconic viewpoint of where you're at when you're in Pike National Forest. So if you're looking for a good woods hike, this one takes you right along the creek most of the way in. As you can see, my feet are jiggling a little bit because it is fly heaven out here today, and they bite and it does not feel great. So we're gonna hike out. We're gonna do a little over 6 miles today, but we just wanted to kind of give everybody a heads up that we saw absolutely nobody out here. There were 2 campers and one other set of folks hiking. So if you're looking to get away and you want a quiet hike, it's going to take you back in the wilderness, this is a great one. So we'll be joining you from another trailhead soon.